Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we are going to explore another scent from Boadicea The Victorious, and that is actually this one, Monarch. I have the sample bottle and you can see over here, let me show you the sample bottle. So this is the box in which I got the sample. This is the box and this is the sample. These are actually 1.5 ml samples. So this is the sample, this is the box. So you can see over here, I have almost finished this. I think it is going to last just one last spray, and that is why I'm making this video. So let's spray this together. This is the last spray from this Monarch, and let's spray this and see how it actually feels. Oops. It is really sweet and wet in the start. It is not rosy, it is not wet rose or any kind of thing. It is kind of a sweet, thick, fluid kind of feeling. Very oily. You can see the oil is on the strip. So if I show you, this is the oil actually left its mark. Okay, so I am getting a bit of leathery tobacco feel to this one. It reminds me of Swiss Arabian Shamoukh Al Gutra. I think I have reviewed one, the red bottle. Red bottle, I'm going to show it over here. So it reminds me this one. Very close to Shamoukh Al Gutra. I think it is 90% the same profile. Masculine, light, sweet tobacco, wet sweetness in the start. Maybe some florals in the background, but leather is there. I would say sweet, fresh, spicy, leathery. Maybe some smoke and vanilla in the background. Far away, smoke is very little. Very Arabian kind of feeling to it, and it is almost identical to Shamoukh Al Gutra. I think I'm not sure if I'm taking the same name. It is the red bottle. Very similar to that one. Swiss Arabian, I think you have done a very good job. So Boadicea The Victorious, I think this is the one they actually made before Swiss Arabian. This is the original one. Very masculine, not for women. I would not recommend it for women. It is for men like above 30 plus. Leathery, spicy, somewhat a bit of tobacco-ish feel to this one. For me, sweet, fresh, spicy, kind of warm too. It is not very fresh or citric at all. It is sweet, not too dense, but it has some heaviness because of leather, I think. So if you like leathery, spicy, sweet, not too heavy kind of scents, this one is for you. This is Monarch from Boadicea, that's the Victorious, and I really didn't like this one. I don't like leather based perfumes or heavy leathers or heavy tobacco based perfumes. So this is my review about Monarch. Sweet, tobacco-ish, leatherish, a bit spicy, and maybe smoke and vanilla in the background. That is what making it sweet, kind of wet sweet, maybe vanilla. So that is all about Monarch from Boadicea The Victorious. Sorry. And I hope you have enjoyed this video review. Make sure you watch this whole series. I have all the videos about Boadicea The Explorer. I think Boadicea The Victorious. I think they have like 10 or 15 samples I had. This is the last spray I got. So I hope you will like, subscribe and share this video. I have seen that a lot of people are watching videos, not subscribing and not sharing these videos at all. So I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.